Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the 3D rotate command. The 3D rotate command in AutoCAD allows you to rotate three-dimensional objects around a specified axis. Unlike the standard rotate command, which works in 2 dimensions, 3D rotate gives you control over how an object rotates in 3D space. This command is commonly used in mechanical design, product modeling, architectural visualization, and engineering projects where objects need to be oriented precisely. The 3D rotate command allows you to rotate objects around a chosen axis in 3-dimensional space. 3D rotate helps you reposition 3D objects, change object orientation, align models accurately, create realistic presentations, and improve model visualization. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing that contains the 3D object you want to rotate. The 3D rotate command works on existing 3D geometry, so the model must already be present in the drawing. Before rotating the object, adjust the view so the model is easier to see. An isometric view displays multiple sides of a 3D object simultaneously. This gives a better understanding of the model's shape and orientation. Using the view cube or view controls in the upper right area of the drawing window, rotate the view to SW isometric. The southwest isometric view provides a clear perspective of the object and makes it easier to visualize the effects of rotation. The object now appears three-dimensional rather than flat. Go to the command line and type Rotate 3D. Then press Enter. AutoCAD activates the 3D rotate command. Click on the object or objects you want to rotate. Only the selected objects will be affected by the rotation. After selecting the objects, press Enter. AutoCAD asks you to define the rotation axis. Click the first point of the axis around which the object will rotate. An axis is an imaginary line around which rotation occurs. It establishes the starting location of the rotation axis. Click a second point to define the direction of the axis. AutoCAD creates an imaginary line between the 2 points. This line becomes the rotation axis. Why 2 points are required? 2 points define both position, direction of the rotation axis. Go to the command line and type the desired reference angle. Then press Enter. The reference angle determined how far the object rotates around the specified axis. AutoCAD rotates the object around the defined axis by the angle you entered. Result: the object is now rotated in 3-dimensional space. The model changes orientation while maintaining its geometry and dimensions. 3D rotation allows you to position models exactly as needed without recreating or modifying the object itself. When rotating objects in 3D, it is often difficult to judge orientation from a top view. Isometric views provide better depth perception and make rotations easier to understand. Professional CAD users frequently rotate models during design reviews, assembly creation, and visualization workflows to inspect geometry from different angles. Additional tip: after rotating an object, you can continue adjusting the view using the view cube to inspect the model from multiple directions. What you just accomplished: you opened a 3D drawing, switched to SW isometric view, activated the Rotate 3D command, selected the object, defined a rotation axis, entered a reference angle, rotated the object in 3D space. Why the 3D rotate command is important. The 3D rotate command provides precise control over object orientation, making it an essential tool for working with 3-dimensional models. To summarize, using the 3D rotate command in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and switching to the SW isometric view using the view controls. Once the model is visible in an isometric orientation, type Rotate 3D into the command line and press Enter. Select the object you want to rotate and press Enter again. AutoCAD then asks for the first and second points of the rotation axis, which define the line around which the object will rotate. Finally, enter the desired reference angle and press Enter. AutoCAD rotates the object around the specified axis, allowing precise control of its orientation in 3-dimensional space. And that's how to use the 3D rotate command in AutoCAD. This command is an essential tool for manipulating 3D objects because it allows precise rotation around custom axes, giving you complete control over model orientation. Once you become comfortable defining axes and rotation angles, working with 3D models becomes much more efficient. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.